friends, welcome to Adventures with Naomi and Maximus. Today I'm going to be putting together a two-night emergency bag for my car. It's primarily just me clothes and cosmetic stuff and things to kind of keep me clean. I have more stuff in my car for like food and cooking stuff and all that kind of stuff. My sleep system, everything's in the car still. There's a couple things I need to add to the car, but we'll do that in a separate video. Today, I'm going to be putting together a two-night overnight bag because winter is upon us, and I work at a local hospital here in Washington State, and I well, sometimes if I have to work and I get stranded, let's say overnight at the hospital and I have to work the next day, I'll have stuff to keep myself clean and I can change into and things like that. The bag I'm going to be using this Wrangler bag that I got at a little festival, I guess is what you want to call it. It's got a pocket in the front with a zipper pouch here and 3 pockets. Inside it's got the main compartment, 2 pockets in the front and 2 pockets on the side, and then it has a zipper pouch and then of course the main pocket. First I'm going to put in my cosmetic case. In here I've already packed it because you don't need to see everything I have in here. I have the essentials. I have deodorant, hairbrush, shampoo, soap, my medications, etc. Toothbrush, toothpaste, everything like that's already in there. The second thing I'm going to pack are my undergarments. I have my undergarments in here with some socks. And then I also have a pair of warmer socks just in case my feet get cold when I'm working. Or sleeping, excuse me. The next thing I'm going to put in are these wipes. I have 3 different kinds of wipes. I have baby wipes for my sensitive areas. I have the tag wipes for pretty much everywhere else. And I have facial wipes. So we're going to stick those in these front pockets here. They're all unopened, so they should be good to go. The next thing I'm going to put in is this flashlight. It's a flashlight torch combo. It takes 3 AAA batteries. I do not store it with the batteries in it. I do have batteries for it separately. It is flashlight when it's collapsed down to like this, and then it pops open like this for the torch effect. I'm going to put those in here. I'm going to slide the batteries in the zipper pouch just so it's in there and out of the way. The next thing I'm going to put in is this power bank. I also have a separate power bank for my work bag because if I'm trapped at work, I'll still have my work bag with me and I have other stuff in that bag as well. So I'll put that in here with some charger cords. Now this solar power bank, it's got a solar panel on top, and then it's also, if you want to charge it on a wall, you can charge it with a micro USB. It's got 2 USB ports and it's about 10,000 milliamps. The one in my work bag is actually I think it's 20,000 milliamps. I'm going to put 2 charger cords in there because mainly everything I have is either USB-C or Lightning. So we're just going to stick those in there. And then for the clothing. So this is only for a couple nights. So I figured what I could do is just have 1 set of pajamas. Put those in here. Okay. I also have some pants for the daytime because I don't want to wear the same stuff for work. I have a hand towel that I'm going to be using for whatever I need it for. And then 2 tops. My workplace is pretty lenient on what I can wear and stuff. They're not too terribly picky about it. And then I'm just going to close that up. So in this front pouch, I have a couple items here. I have a notepad with a permanent marker. I'm going to stick that in this pouch here. Some chapstick. Put that in the other pocket. And this really interesting light that I got at a local store, Eddie Bauer. It has several light functions. You can use as a flashlight. Got a couple settings. This light also lights up, and then this also has multicolors like that. And then it's also glow in the dark as well. So I'll put that in here. That way, if you want it, you can find it later. So that's it for this bag. For entertainment purposes, in my work bag, I usually always have an iPad. So I have movies downloaded onto that and things like that. And I also have my phone always with me as well. So if I have some television shows downloaded onto that. So for my next video, I'm going to be telling you, or showing you, not telling you, showing you my car and how if I needed to, I can sleep in the car if I need to. My work does provide cots for employees who do get stranded at the hospital. So, you know, I'm not too terribly worried about the sleeping aspect of it. For me, it was more the food and clothing and things like that. Now, for purposes of camping, I'll do a separate video for that because I did a test run in my camper last year before last. No, it was last year in October for my birthday, and I did post that on this channel. And I had a sleep setup in my car and everything like that. Unfortunately, I think it didn't work out that great, only because it was me and a large black Labrador Retriever named Maximus. So I'm going to figure out a different camping setup for that purpose only. But my friend and I, we want to start camping more, and we kind of need to get our camping setup a little bit better. Now back to work. I do have access to a shower at work. The unit that I work, one of their bathrooms inside the break room has a shower in it. And so I do have access to a shower if I choose to sleep, either if I choose to sleep in the car or if I choose to sleep inside the hospital. More than likely, it would probably be I'd sleep in the hospital just because it would get really cold in the car, and I don't have a way to heat up the car because I don't have a blanket, an electric heat blanket. I do want to get one eventually, but I just I haven't purchased one yet. So but that will be in a separate video, probably either next week or the week after. I'm trying to post more, but we'll see what happens. But if you do have any comments or questions about what I put in my bag or where I got the stuff that I put in my bag, you can leave a comment down below, and maybe I can do a separate video of just my gear that I use for my overnight bags or survival or whatever you want to talk about. I can definitely try to come up with something. I know this is different, but this YouTube channel, I'm still trying to learn how to launch it and figure out what I want to do in it and things like that. So yeah, if you have any comments or questions, just leave it down below in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel and to this video. Yeah, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.